Hello friends! Last week we disabled Microsoft's AI tool Copilot in Word for the PC. This week we're going to disable Copilot in Word for Mac. We're also going to look at how to remove the Copilot button from the ribbon. Please note that these steps turn off Copilot, but they don't remove it from your software. Also note that these steps currently only apply to the most recent versions of Word for Microsoft 365 for Mac personal and family subscriptions. Availability should be expanded to other versions as well as Excel and PowerPoint in the near future. To begin disabling Copilot, first ensure you're signed in to your Microsoft 365 account, and then select the Word menu. From there, select Preferences. When the Word Preferences dialog box appears, select Copilot, and then uncheck Enable Copilot and close the dialog box. The Copilot button should now appear muted in your Home tab, which indicates that it's been disabled. If Copilot isn't immediately disabled, you may need to exit and then restart Word to enact the change. Currently, there's no way to remove the Copilot button from the Home tab without also removing the Editor button. So, we're going to look at how to remove both buttons and then return the Editor button to the Home tab on its own. However, please note that the Editor button is also available on the Review tab. Changes made to the Home tab don't affect the Review tab, so you don't have to add the Editor button back to the Home tab if you don't want to. To begin, select the Word menu, followed by Preferences. When the Word Preferences dialog box appears, select Ribbon and Toolbar. From there, ensure you're in the Ribbon tab, and then select Assistance in the right-hand menu. Next, select the Remove button, and then select the Save button. Lastly, close the dialog box. The Copilot button and Editor button should be removed from the Home tab. To add the Editor button back to the Home tab, reselect the Word menu, followed by Preferences, and Ribbon and Toolbar in the Word Preferences dialog box. Once again, ensure you're in the Ribbon tab, and then select Home in the right-hand menu. Next, select the Add button, and choose New Group from the drop-down menu. Now select the Options button, and Rename from the drop-down menu. When the Rename dialog box appears, enter a name such as Editor, and then select the Save button. Next, open the Choose Commands From menu and choose All Commands, and then locate and select the Editor in the All Commands menu, and select the Add button. Finally, select the Save button and close the dialog box. The Editor button should reappear in the Home tab. Please see my previous tutorial, How to Customize the Ribbon in Word for Mac, for more information about working with the ribbon, including how to return it to default settings when necessary. All the steps we just performed are listed with images on my website at erinwrightwriting.com, which is linked in the description box below, along with my complete playlist, How to Use Word for Mac. Feel free to leave me a comment if there's a specific topic that you'd like me to talk about in the future. And please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.